the Special Service Group.
The Special Service Group or SSG are the Special Forces unit of the Pakistan Army. They are also known by their nickname of Maroon Berets due to their headgear. The SSG is responsible to deploy and execute 5 doctrinal missions: foreign internal defense, reconnaissance, direct action, counterterrorism operations, and unconventional warfare. Other operational roles and responsibilities attributed to the SSG include search and rescue, counter-proliferation, search and destroy, hostage rescue, information operations, peacekeeping missions, psychological operations, security assistance, and HVT manhunts. Chain of command and control of the SSG falls within the domain of the Pakistan Army's Strategic Forces Command, ASFC, and its personnel are directly recruited into the Inter-Services Intelligence, EC's Counterterrorism Division upon their retirements. Battalions in the Special Forces. The Special Service Group is organized in 8 battalions and 3 companies, all trained and specialists in the specific type of war operations. In common practice and military formation, the battalions typically consist of between approximately 300 to 800 personnel, but the Department of Army has never issued an actual strength number of its personnel serving in the battalions in the Special Forces. Contents: the official strength number of serving personnel in each battalion is subjected to the classified information. In Pakistan Army, the Special Forces battalions are typically commanded by the lieutenant colonels, and the battalions are organized into the groups under the command of the serving colonels. Citation needed: the command of the Army's Special Service Group, Army SSG, is under the command of the Major General, whose identity is also kept in secrecy, alongside with other Army personnel. Citing security:
the 1st Commando Yeldrum Battalion, the 2nd Commando Rebar Battalion, the 3rd Commando Powindas Battalion, the 4th Commando Yelgar Battalion, the 5th Commando Zilzal Battalion, the 6th Commando Al Samsam Battalion, the 7th Commando Babram Battalion, the 8th Commando Al Azab Battalion.
Selection and training. Qualifications and physicals. The Army Specialist Recruiter teams usually visit the different headquarters of the Army's formation, distributing the pamphlets to the officers at OF1 rank and enlisted personnel. The military physical standards, examinations, and criteria is same for the Army, Navy, Air Force, and Marine Special Forces selections and training, often training in close coordination. The Navy Special Service Group, SSGN, plays an important role in the overall architecture of the Special Operations Forces. Their qualification standards, fitness at all levels, and eligibility required for the security clearances. There are 3 schools that the overall basic eligibility requirements to be considered for entry into the schools of the Special Forces are Special Operations School, Sniper School, and Frogman School. The medical standards in various physical courses into the entrance in the Special Forces in Pakistan maintained to be very high and extremely competitive, resulting in a major dropouts at the very early stage of selection, according to the Pakistan Army's official report in 2013. The Pakistan Army's Medical Corps keeps the qualification and selection standards difficult and competitive in the Pakistani military to only ensure that the suitable and qualified intakes in the Special Forces in the Pakistan military, as the Special Forces cannot be mass-produced nor it can arise in the extenuating situations. Prior to joining the Special Service Group, the interested junior Army officers, usually at OF1 and OF2, and enlisted personnel must have spent their committed military careers for at least 5 years and must be volunteered to join the Special Service Group. Once selected through successfully undergoing through the medical evaluation, the interested personnel must report to the Parachute Training School in Peshawar to volunteer for the airborne training, and must get the airborne qualification badge from the airborne training school. The airborne training course held for 4 weeks where the interested personnel must excel the HILO, HAHO methods with 5-day jumps and 3-night military free fall. After gaining their airborne qualification badge, the Army personnel then reports to Cherat from Peshawar. A nominal distance between two cities is approximated between 62.9 kilometers, 39.1 miles, engaged through this journey by the foot while wearing their full military gear, 30 kilograms. The interested individual must undergoes a 24-week of military training and training process once reported to Cherat. The training courses in the Special Service Group emphasize strong physical conditioning and mental fitness, including the everyday-based surprise strategic thinking quiz and a 36-mile march in 12 hours. Violation of the military code and ethics by the trainee soldier resulted in including the 9.3 kilometers, 5.8 miles, march from Cherat to Chhapri with full 36 pounds, 16 kilograms, military gear. The curriculum of the basic military training course included the mastery in judo and karateka, special weapons training, military navigation, and handling and disarming of the chemical explosives, survival skill training. There are schools of special warfare that the trainee soldier chooses: Snow and High Altitude School, Mountain Warfare School, Airborne Warfare School, Desert Warfare School, Sniper School, and Frogman School. These schools offers the advanced training courses which runs for additional 25 to 30 weeks, and only successfully passed out personnel are awarded with badges of their specialized fields by their specialized school faculty. The dropout rates of Special Service Group, Army, is 85 to 90% because of extremely tough training process. Every year, thousands of applicants apply to join the SSG, but at the end, maximum of 100 to 120 cadets get their recommendation letter for Special Service Group. The Army personnel interested in the underwater demolition must be trained with their Navy counterparts in Manora Island in the Karachi coast, including being qualified to get their long-range swimming qualification badge from the naval authorities. The Special Service Group criteria meets Special Forces training and selection criteria of the United States Army, and Special Service Group's personnel are regularly sent to the United States to collaborate with the American Special Forces personnel for further training in special warfare and tactics.